Narrator, welcome to a virtual journey through the bustling streets of the city that never sleeps, New York City. In this video, we will take you on an exciting adventure, uncovering the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that define the heartbeat of this vibrant metropolis. Begin our exploration of the Big Apple. Our first stop is Times Square, the dazzling crossroads of the world. Be prepared to be mesmerized by the neon lights, massive billboards, and the energetic atmosphere that engulfs this iconic landmark. From street performers to Broadway shows, Times Square is the epitome of New York City's vibrant spirit. Leaving the hustle and bustle of Times Square behind, we find ourselves in the tranquil oasis of Central Park. Spanning over 840 acres, this green oasis offers a refreshing escape from the urban jungle. Take a leisurely stroll along the winding paths, enjoy a picnic by the lake, or simply bask in the beauty of nature right in the heart of the city. No visit to New York City is complete without paying homage to Lady Liberty. A symbol of freedom and opportunity, the Statue of Liberty stands tall on Liberty Island. Take a ferry ride across the harbor and step foot on Ellis Island, where millions of immigrants arrived in search of a better life. Explore the Ellis Island Immigration Museum and immerse yourself in the rich history of this iconic landmark. The next stop on our journey is the Brooklyn Bridge, a magnificent feat of engineering that connects the boroughs of Manhattan and Brooklyn. As you walk across the iconic suspension bridge, enjoy breathtaking views of the New York City skyline. Capture the perfect Instagram-worthy shot and immerse yourself in the urban charm that surrounds you. New York City is home to some of the world's finest museums, and the Museum Mile is where you can find them all. From the Metropolitan Museum of Art to the Guggenheim Museum, this stretch of Fifth Avenue offers a cultural extravaganza. Immerse yourself in art, history, and culture as you explore these iconic institutions. Our final destination is the High Line, a unique urban park built on a historic elevated railway. This elevated park stretches along Manhattan's west side, offering stunning views of the cityscape and a serene escape from the bustling streets below. Take a leisurely walk, enjoy the beautifully designed gardens, and soak in the artistic atmosphere that makes the High Line a must-visit spot. And there you have it, a glimpse into the diverse and captivating sights of New York City. From the iconic landmarks to the hidden gems, this city offers a rich tapestry of experiences waiting to be explored. So whether you're a local or a visitor, let the energy of New York City captivate your spirit and leave you with memories to last a lifetime.